We're entering a new autonomous era, one where mobile robots can safely navigate complex environments. And how exactly is this possible? How does this robot see the world and avoid obstacles? The answer is this piece of LiDAR technology right here, the Velarray M1600. The M1600 provides outstanding near-field perception and safe navigation for all kinds of applications, from industrial robotics and last-mile delivery to smart cities and manufacturing.
The M1600 is a result of countless hours of brainstorming, designing, testing, prototyping, doing more testing, and not settling until we met our expectations.
The goal of the M1600 was to design a compact directional LiDAR with a wide horizontal field of view plus a larger vertical field of view than our previous sensors. This sensor can capture incredibly rich data of the surrounding environment starting at just 0.1 meters and extending out to 30 meters, all with an accuracy of a few centimeters. It also has a broad 32-degree vertical field of view, which is the best in its class.
It consumes less than 11 watts of power, and it's ideal for any environment, whether that's indoor, outdoors, day or night.
And less power consumption extends operating range and increases efficiency. All of this allows for safe operation in complex environments like warehouses, industrial sites, or crowded sidewalks. The M1600 simply covers more space, so you no longer need to stack up multiple sensors to get the job done. And then there's the design. The M1600 is sleek and compact, which makes it super embeddable and a perfect fit for external mounting. It also has a streamlined single connector for even easier integration. And it's really tough. This sensor is industrial grade and can handle just about anything thrown at it.
We test our M1600 LiDARs across different environmental conditions to make sure that they can survive different temperature extremes, different humidity levels, and different road conditions.
And the inside of the sensor is just as groundbreaking. The M1600's core is built using Velodyne's breakthrough micro-lidar array architecture. In a nutshell, it's a game-changing optical chip technology that enables miniaturization of LiDAR channels, which are essentially laser engines.
This miniaturization, combined with Velodyne's proprietary, fully automated manufacturing process, enables a cost-effective solution that's ready to scale up. But we're not just talking about hardware here. We see the future of Velodyne as an end-to-end solution that enables machines to see, understand, and act on their environment. That's why we're focused on integrating sensors like the M1600 with our Vela software.
Vela software can turn raw LiDAR point cloud data into meaningful perception outputs. Think of the M1600 LiDAR sensor as the eyes and our Vela software as the brain.
The 3D point cloud generated by the M1600 can be seamlessly processed by Vela to enable robots to traverse unstructured and dynamic environments. The sensor collects the data, and the software tells the robot what it is seeing.
With the integration of our LiDAR hardware and Vela software, it frees up our customers to focus on their own applications.
This really speeds up deployment of autonomous solutions and can help customers get to market faster. So the integration of the M1600 and Vela unlocks all kinds of possibilities. This is the one-stop shop LiDAR solution for any robotic or industrial application. It's truly the start of a whole new chapter for Velodyne and the LiDAR industry.